God. We keep the faith even though times seem hard. What we trying to do is teach the youth the truth. Help us under God, that's what we do. You can't stop my stride, I'm walking by faith. Please, Lord, when I die, open up the gates. I'm lifting up the kingdom just like a pair of weights. I keep my flows tight like a pair of shoelace. His holy embrace, it kept me safe and sound. Unlike these human beings, he never let me down. That's why I'm heaven bound. My home is not on earth, I turn my life around. Soon as I step in church, I ain't perfect, I knew it would require work. Shoot, I'm on my 8 to 4, my 9 to 5. Dog, without his love, I probably wouldn't be alive. Jehovah Witness at my door, can't come inside without permission. I treat him like a vampire. Pick up my cross and put it in between eyes. It's a devil court full of man-made lies. Instead of save, you get a 40 ounce of St. Eyes. Cause I rock a suit, I ain't slanging bean pies, but I'll be banging for my Lord till the day I die. And you ain't got 9 lives like a cat do. Here's food for thought, I'll be serving cat food. You can't change my mind cause I know what's true. You're better off trying to battle me in the booth, or hold your breath until your face turns sky blue. Cause I'll be killing more beasts than Hitler killed Jews. We are true helpers under God. We keep the faith even though times seem hard. What we trying to do is teach the youth the truth. Helpers under God, that's what we do. We are true helpers under God. We keep the faith even though times seem hard. What we trying to do is teach the youth the truth. Helpers under God, that's what we do.
Voice of these streets, all praise to the Father who's a holder to my soul. You don't know my pain, so you never understand my praise. See, the Lord already knows whose his soldiers are for his army. There's we, B.I.C., golden crown trying to receive. Best believe me when I say it's tough without God, that's when life is real. My Lord and Savior saved me by his blood. So every song I'm on show some love. So when it's ain't of a persecution, you would thought it happened before. Matter of fact, it did happen before. When I was disliking a part of this world, I don't care cause I'm all about Jesus, man. Got my Jesus peace, don't need to rock it, man. He has me covered by his blood, B.I.C. from that C.O.C. You can't miss me, dress on deck and I'm tatted, but don't judge me. R3DD, 3 stands for my Lord that rose on the 3rd day. No, this is not a game, T-H-U-G. True hero under God, and I got swag. Serving who acknowledge God God's body, so you know that I'm a ride. Got my cross on my chest, cause God got my back.
We are true helpers under God. We keep the faith even though times seem hard. What we trying to do is teach the youth as true helpers under God. That's what we do. We are true helpers under God.